Hi, I'm really excited to be able to show you inside the Tonic Studios Premium Card Making Magazine Box Kit Volume 12. So inside here we not only have a beautiful 12-piece die set, there's a stencil that's absolutely gorgeous, a stamp set as well, gorgeous papers and die cut pieces. So let's just delve in and take a look. So inside the box, first of all, we have our tools. We'll look at the magazine in a moment. So the first piece we're going to look at is this stamp set. It's really, really beautiful. We've very much got a summer theme here. So we've got sentiments like the sun's out, sending you sun and lemonade fun. I absolutely love that. You're my sunshine, hello summer, congratulations and summer loving, with of course those beautiful flowers there as well. You can build up amazing stamped backgrounds with these borders and beautiful cards as well. Now of course there's going to be lots of inspiration in that magazine for you. Then we have the stencil. Now there's lots of designs, 9 different designs on here. We have those flowers again. We have some beautiful foliage, some banners. We even have here the bumblebee and the beehive that's on the branch. So really clever and really beautiful to be building up. Again, so much inspiration inside the magazine for you with that. And then, do you know what? This is what I know Tonic for most, and I think really personally this is what they do best, is their dies. The cuts of their dies are amazing, but the designs are so unique. So we've got these 2 corners. This is the Bird of Paradise die set, and there's 12 dies in here in total. They're actually quite large dies as well, and you can see they're like these beautiful corners. This top one here has amazing flowers on it. We have an outer border die, so we can cut that away from our cardstock if we want to and really shape the corners of our cards. And then we have dies that sit in here as well. So these flowers are individual, they can come out. Down here we have this gorgeous bird here. It's absolutely stunning that you can cut away. We also have the bumblebee and we have the leaf as additional extras also. Now let's take a look at the magazine. Inside here there are so many projects that are going to be able to get you started with those tools that we've just looked at. So there's actually 74 projects in here. So as we flick through, you'll see that we've got a lot of detail on all of the pieces that we've looked at so far, and some extras that we haven't looked at already. You'll see those in a moment. But look at these beautiful cards that you could be making with your product that comes inside the box kit, okay? We're using the dies here. How pretty is it? This has obviously been snipped into to give you extra inspiration, extra design ideas. We have a variety of different designers creating the cards for you, and every project has step-by-step instructions and also what we call a you'll need piece. So that's it. This is like your materials, so what you're going to need, your tools and things to get started. A lot of these you'll notice are running along a similar colour scheme. So if I just skip towards the centre of the magazine, you'll see why. Because a lot of these cards, in fact I think most of the cards, have been made using this paper kit that is in the middle of the magazine. Not only do we have these beautiful toppers here, and you can of course hand cut these out, but we also have stunning backing papers as well. There's sentiments in here, there's banners, there's toppers, there's also like labels and things, and of course you do get your background papers. These are totally snippable as well, along with your ribbon strips and your borders. So all of these just going to work so perfectly with your die, your stamp and your stencil. So you can see now why a lot of these cards are so coordinating within the magazine, because they are all made using these papers. This just means that as soon as you get your magazine box kit home, you're going to have the papers and the tools, and you are going to be able to get on and create these cards in the magazine straight away. So that's everything that's inside the Tonic Studios Premium Card Making Magazine Volume 12. So I'm sure you're going to love it as much as myself. You can pre-order yours now at craftstash.co.uk.